Meaning of directorship.
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 Directorship. Directorship refers to the position or status of being a director, which involves the responsibility of overseeing and managing a company's operations and making strategic decisions. Those who hold directorships are typically experienced and knowledgeable leaders who have a wide range of skills in areas such as finance, management, and marketing. As a result, directorship plays a critical role in shaping the overall direction and success of an organization by ensuring that it operates effectively, adapts to changing market conditions, and achieves its long-term goals.